it's Avery and Chloe, my mom's friend's daughter. And she is going to be releasing a slime shop. And I think you should go to her channel. You should go to her channel and subscribe.
Slime videos and stuff.
Slime videos and stuff is going to be in her whole things, her whole videos, maybe morning routines in the summer. So
Nails are so shiny.
I'm going to show you one of the ones that she created, which is called Tricks. Can I show them? Okay.
Here.
Isn't that cute?
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Mama.
And this is the other one that's really soft. I'm going to put
about
a
half
little...
this bottle in there.
Yeah, she put in half a bottle of lotion in there to make it super soft. Yeah. All the ingredients for the trick slime is making it so hard. It's so bad. It's kind of bad though.
It doesn't have a full...
Huh?
Don't make this video too long.
Okay.
Your mom has to text my dad.
Okay. Well, we were just talking about something, and she's going to add pink Barbie color to it. So I'm
I'm
going
going to turn this purple goo, if you can see it.
Yeah,
Ready?
I can see it. You can see it. I'm going to put it pink in it.
Into a Barbie slime.
Yes. Sorry.
I have to turn it white first.
Yeah.
So it looks more pink.
Like that.
Join the more lotion in there.
Okay, I
Don't
have
forget to put it in here when you're done.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is going to be my logo.
Yes.
Slime queen.
Slime queen, of course.
Stickers sponsored by my
Karina.
friend Liv Bacon. Go to her slime shop, Dahlia Slimes. Ooh, I found another cotton ball. And this one's pink.
She's making a pink Barbie slime. Tons of lotioning. So I'm just gonna hang up in a minute. So I'll go subscribe to her channel, which is
Slime videos and stuff.
Slime Videos and Stuff. Which is really your name?
Chloe Huffman.
Chloe Huffman. Huffman.
You know my name.
Yeah, I know. For your slime shop.
This is so stretchy.
This is so
used to be as hard as a rock.
yeah. Oh.
Like this, but now it's
Yeah. It used to be hard as a rock.
There's actually an example in this, but I don't want to get it out. It's too much work.
There's just a sample of it, but she's not getting it out. It's too much work. So it says lots of lotion. So I'm gonna have to heat up now. Bye guys.